If you think your green card guarantees safety, think again. 2025 brings silent changes that could shake the foundation of your immigration future. 5 new trends in 2025 are putting lawful permanent residents under tighter scrutiny than ever before. From DUIs and unpaid taxes to social media activity, these policies could decide whether you keep your status or lose it. This is Immiscope, your trusted source for U.S. immigration news, policy changes, and visa updates. The green card reality. Check. It used to be that once you got a green card, you could breathe easy. You were safe, permanent. But that sense of permanence is now being tested. Since mid-2025, federal agencies like USCIS, CBP, and ICE have started quietly enforcing new guidelines targeting green card holders with character-related violations. These aren't rumors. Internal USCIS memos from August 2025 and new CBP enforcement practices confirm a tightening of scrutiny. The message is clear. Being a green card holder no longer guarantees immunity from review. Today we're breaking down 5 major trends reshaping what it means to be a lawful permanent resident in 2025 and what you must do to stay safe. Trend number 1. DUIs are now a major immigration risk. A single DUI, even from decades ago, is now triggering detentions, airport holds, and citizenship denials. Under current CBP practice, 1 DUI can make a green card holder inadmissible when re-entering the U.S. That means you could be stopped at the airport, detained, or even referred to immigration court. Real cases in 2025 show travelers with old DUI records being taken into custody for review, sometimes spending days in ICE detention. Meanwhile, the August 2025 USCIS Good Moral Character memo states that 2 DUIs within the statutory period will create a presumption of bad moral character, effectively blocking citizenship eligibility. Even 1 DUI can now trigger extra review during your naturalization interview. If you have a DUI on record, avoid international travel until cleared with an attorney. Bring strong rehabilitation evidence to your citizenship interview. Do not assume old convictions are forgotten. They're not. Green card holders must treat DUIs as both a legal and an immigration emergency. Trend number 2. Speeding tickets and patterns of behavior. Speeding used to be seen as minor, now it's under the immigration microscope. The same August 2025 memo expanded discretionary review to include multiple traffic violations. USCIS officers are now instructed to evaluate whether repeated speeding tickets show a pattern of disregard for law. 3 or more tickets, even if paid, could signal irresponsibility and trigger moral character concerns during naturalization. Officers now have broad authority to question you about your driving history and even request documentation to show how you've changed your behavior. If you're applying for citizenship in 2025 or 2026, disclose all tickets honestly. Show proof of safe driving courses or improved record. Avoid new violations at all costs. While these tickets won't revoke your green card, they can delay or derail your citizenship journey, and repeated violations may flag your file for secondary inspection at ports of entry. Trend number 3. Tax delays. And IRS flags are now immigration issues. Another major shift. Tax compliance is now tied directly to moral character. Failing to pay taxes or ignoring IRS notices can now affect both your citizenship and your travel record. USCIS and CBP systems cross-reference federal databases, meaning outstanding tax debt or failure to file can appear during background checks. Applicants who owe taxes without a payment plan are now facing citizenship denials for failure to meet legal obligations. If you've missed returns or owe back taxes, fix it before filing Form N-400 or traveling internationally. Being proactive. Setting up an IRS payment plan or showing proof of resolution can demonstrate good moral character and prevent denials. This isn't speculation. Immigration attorneys across the country report a clear uptick in cases where tax debt alone is holding up green card renewals and naturalization approvals. Trend number 4. Extended travel abroad. Residency at risk. Another 2025 Trend shaking up green card holders' extended travel outside the USCBP. Officers are flagging more travelers who spend over 6 months abroad and aggressively questioning anyone gone a year or more, even those with re-entry permits. Many green card holders returning after long trips are being asked, "Where exactly? Do you live? Why were you abroad so long? Do you still maintain a home in the U.S.?" These questions are not routine anymore. They're part of a broader effort to catch people who may have abandoned residency. In some cases, officers have tried to pressure travelers to sign Form I-407, voluntarily giving up their green card. Never sign that form without legal advice. Track your travel carefully. Maintain a U.S. address, bank account, and tax filings. If you need to stay abroad for extended periods, get a re-entry permit and document your reasons clearly. Even with that permit, expect closer questioning. In 2025, CBP is now using advanced tracking systems to log every international movement of permanent residents. Trend number 5, social media and speech against the government. Perhaps the most controversial shift in 2025, digital vetting. USCIS and DHS now cross-reference public social media activity during background checks, especially before citizenship interviews or at border entry points. Posts criticizing U.S. policies, attending politically charged protests, or using inflammatory language can trigger security review flags. This doesn't mean free speech is gone, but it does mean immigration officers are watching. Several applicants this year reported being questioned about posts supporting certain political causes or conflicts abroad. Your online activity is now part of your immigration record. Keep your posts factual, respectful, and avoid extreme or threatening content. Freedom of expression is protected, but immigration benefits are still discretionary, and officials can use public conduct as part of their moral character assessment. Why this matters? The combined impact of these 5 trends is reshaping life for millions of green card holders. For years, permanent residents believed their status was secure, but in 2025, that illusion is fading. Between the tightening of travel rules, moral character reviews, and the blending of law enforcement data with USCIS records, the system now treats green card status as conditional loyalty. The safest approach? Stay compliant, stay honest, and stay informed. To recap, here are the 5 major 2025 trends affecting green card holders. DUIs now trigger airport detentions and citizenship denials. Multiple speeding tickets can harm your moral character. Unpaid taxes and IRS issues delay or block applications. Long absences abroad can lead to abandonment charges. Social media activity is monitored more closely than ever. If you're a permanent resident or planning to become one, 2025 is the year to take these issues seriously. A single mistake could jeopardize your path to citizenship. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching Immiscope, your trusted source for U.S. immigration news, policy, and visa insights. See you in the next video.